Hey there, artists. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a Christmas tree. So let's get started. So I'm going to be starting off with the top of my tree first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curved line that comes out like this, and another one that comes out like that. Now at the end of these lines, I'm actually going to add a little J shape or a little U. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these two lines with a series of U's. Now make them as skinny or as fat as you want. It's really up to you guys. It just gives the tree an extra character. And now I'm going to draw the next tier. And what I'm going to do is as I draw these lines that come out, I'm going to make it a little bit wider than the top section. So remember, we're going to add these like J shapes or these backwards J's or little U's. And I'm going to connect the two lines with a series of U's. And I have no rhyme or reason to why I'm making them skinny or fat. I'm just kind of filling in between the lines. Now, let's work on the third tier. Again, we're going to come out wider and add a little U shape at the end. And then I'm going to just connect these two lines with some U shapes. So now I'm going to do my last tier, or the bottom of the tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these lines like this in J shapes. But remember, they're a little bit wider than the other three levels. And now I'm just going to connect these with some wide U shapes. Really make your tree any way you want. It's really up to you. And feel free to pause the video at any point if you need to catch up. Take your time. No one's going to rush you. So now I'm going to actually draw the trunk of the tree by doing two parallel lines like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a skinny oval shape that goes around the base of the tree. And it's going to be in one of those stands that you have for your house for your Christmas tree. So just do two straight lines from the outside of my oval, and I'm going to connect these two with a wide U shape. So now we're going to decorate our tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of randomly place these small circles throughout my tree. And these will be the ornaments of my tree. Make them bigger, smaller. Get creative. And draw as many ornaments as you want. So I'm going to do this. Now at the top of each of these circles, I'm going to draw a little square. Like this. Now let's move on to the lights. For the lights, I'm just going to do a thin line. It's going to look like it's going to be wrapped around my Christmas tree. So I got that one up there. And I'm going to do these next ones to be diagonal. They'll have a slight curve to them. Real quick, did you know that Christmas trees don't just pop up overnight? On average, a Christmas tree takes 7 to 10 years to grow to a perfect size. So in that time, tree farmers are carefully watering them and trimming them, keeping them healthy for the next time they're cut down. But for every tree that's cut down, farmers plant at least 1 to 3 seedlings to keep the tradition alive. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So these are going to be the lines to my Christmas lights. Now, on the bottom of these lines, I'm going to draw these little oval shapes, which will be the Christmas lights of the tree. Now again, draw as many as you want. We're going to be coloring these in, or you could leave them white. I like a Christmas tree with a lot of colorful lights. So do my boys. So I'm going to do this. Again, there are these little ovals that I'm putting at the bottom of each string of lights. And what we're going to do is we're going to color them in. Like so. Now, for the final part, we're going to draw the star at the top of the tree. Super simple. I'm just going to do these skinny U shapes. Now my star might not be perfect, but that's okay. It'll give it some character. So this is my Christmas tree. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to color it with marker on top of marker paper. And remember, coloring is what can really make your drawing a pretty cool drawing. So take your time, and we'll be right back. And this is my Christmas tree. So remember, it's important, take your time when you're coloring. I just wanted to show you that there's just quick ways you could add little things here and there. Like I just added some quick presents under the tree or a railroad track for a train. It's really up to you and how you want to decorate your tree or your drawing. But take your time when you're coloring, enjoy the process. And remember, if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the next one. And I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.